History remembers many kinds of heroes. Heroes who wielded swords, heroes who ruled kingdoms, heroes who changed the courage of nations. But according to Thomas Carlyle, one of the greatest heroes in history was neither a king nor a conqueror. He was a prophet, a man born in the desert of Arabia, a man who possessed no army, no throne, no wealth. Yet within a single century after his death, his message is traced from Spain to India. His name was Muhammad. In 1840, the Scottish philosopher Thomas Carlyle delivered a remarkable lecture titled "The Hero as Prophet, Mahomet, Islam." At a time when Europe often portrayed Islam unfairly, Carlyle offered a very different perspective. He argued that Muhammad ﷺ was not an impostor, not a deceiver, but one of history's most sincere and influential men. This is the story of Carlyle's prophet hero. The hero as Prophet Muhammad and the rise of Islam.